Lucky.
She runs,
Lucky.
she jumps, she spins around, little feet that barely touch the ground. She meows, she hides, she comes to me, my little kitten, wild and free.
Oh, bless na.
She climbs the curtains, knocks my coffee down, then curls up in a blanket like she owns the crown. I laugh and shake my head,
Lucky.
but I love her
Kakulay
anyway.
mo yung ano. Yung basahan
She
natin.
dreams of
Paborito niya
flying
yun, guys.
feathers, she plays till she's asleep.
binili
Her
namin sa
tiny
Baguio.
snores at midnight make memories I keep. She's chaos wrapped in cuteness, and I want her every day.
Isa akong isa.
Little kitten, sweet delight, turns my gray days into light. Naughty
Paborito niya
grin
ng
and
kakulay niya.
twinkling eyes.
Kakulay mo
She's
yan,
the
Lucky.
queen in a small
Paborito niya yan.
disguise.
Sa halip na higaan niya, hindi. Nilalaro niya lang yan. Nun, Jesus, yakap-yakap. Nung kakulay niya. Kakulay mo yan? Feeling mo, nakakuha ka ng kapatid. Nakakuha ka ng kapatid. Ha? Kakulay mo yan. Ay, sus. Kakulay mo, oh. Batik. Batik, yan, batik. Batik. Batik, batik, batik. Batik, batik, batik. Give me 5, eh. Give me 5. Ay, sus. Give me 5. Ay, give me 5. Ay, very good naman yan. Give me 5. Bless na. Eh, ano na, hinaharot niya yung kamay ko eh. Pagka ano eh, bibless eh. Bless na. Ay, ay, Jesus. Jesus. Pag sinabi kong aalis ako, guys, tinatakpan yung bibig ko. Dali. Jesus. Jesus. Ay, 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 ay. Sing, ay, give me 5 muna. No, give me 5. Sabi ko, give, oh, yun. No, diba? Galing-galing naman yan eh. Very good naman si Lucky eh. Wala, gusto niya talagang kalaro yung ano, kakulay niya. Feeling niya kapatid niya. No? Ay, sus. O, babay na muna. Dali, mahaba na yung video natin. Uy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you for watching.